How do you want to live? To let life take its course, or to roll up your sleeves and take it by the horns? To go where you're taken, to listen to your inner voice, and show life the way. To do what you gotta do because you have to, or to do it because there's no other way. To be afraid, or to venture into the unknown and emerge 100 times more alive. To do things the correct way, or to put stereotypes in their proper place. To want to do something but not make the effort, or to do things with passion and never lose the buzz of excitement. Your life is your choice. Kimbi.lv, a credit line for confident decisions.